This Century 21 United property video is presented by Marty Reed. This property has been an integral part of the Pine Bluff community, serving until recently as the information hub since 1963. The property has over 53,000 square feet consisting of multiple offices, warehouse space, assembly areas, shipping and receiving docks, and break rooms. The possible uses for this facility are numerous and full of opportunity. Buy it and be a part of moving Pine Bluff forward. Call me today for your tour. Property is being sold as is. For more information, review the details below.